Hi, my name is John Lawrence Asoro, and topic natin ngayon is paano isolve yung Fibonacci sequence using Bennett's formula. Fibonacci sequence is a wonderful series of numbers that could start with 0 or 1, okay? The term of a Fibonacci sequence is found by adding up the two Fibonacci numbers before it, okay? 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, and so on. Okay? Pero paano kung itanong sa'yo kung ano yung 200 term o by Fibonacci sequence? Imamano-mano mo ba yun? Oo. Pwedeng posible yun. Pero, may hirapan ka. Kaya, merong formula para mapadali ang iyong paggawa ng Fibonacci sequence. Okay? At you can use the Bennett's formula in finding the nth term of a Fibonacci sequence without the other terms. Okay? Bennett's formula is an explicit formula used to find the nth term of the Fibonacci sequence. It is so named because it was derived by mathematician Jacques Philippe Marie Bennett. You can also use the derived formula, yung ginawa niyong formula, in the general form for the nth term Fibonacci number. F sub n is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 raised to the exponent n minus 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2 to the power of n over the square root of 5. Okay? Yan. Ganyang formula ang gagamitin natin. We can also use the formula. I'm gonna give you an example. Example, kinuha natin is 20th term. Hinahanap niya ang 20th term sa Fibonacci sequence. Ang gagawin natin is, una, hanapin muna natin yung n. Ano nga ba ang n niya? Ang n niya is 20. Bakit? Kasi siyang hinahanap natin eh. 20, yung hinahanap nating term. Okay? So, i-distribute natin. F sub 20 is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 raised to the exponent, raised to the n or 20 minus 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2 raised to the power of 20 or yung n natin over the square root of 5. Okay? You can attain this value by using a scientific calculator. So, ika-calculate na natin. Therefore, the 20th term of the Fibonacci sequence is 6765. Okay? 6765. Since hinanap natin ang 20th term. Okay? And, isa pang example. Hinahanap natin ang 60th form. A term ang hinahanap. So, magiging n natin is 60. Okay, number 2 yato. F 60 is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. 60 minus 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. 60 over the square root of 5. Okay? Calculate na natin. And, ang kanyang naging 20th term is F60 is equal to 1.54800,876 times 10, 12. Okay? Or pwede pa natin siyang i-round off to 1.58 times 10 over 12. Okay? Yan ang kanyang final answer. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo sa tutorial kong ito. Yan lang po. Thank you.